was going to show y'all some of the features of the combine. I'm fixing to get me done. This is still the same pass I was on. I'm running about 3.2 right now. I kept running faster, but you got like all these weeds and these little green spots, beans and whatnot. So I'm just going to run slow right now. And I'm about full. There's the truck. Yeah, there's the service truck, the header trailer. This is our cornfield right here on top of this hill. And this was supposed to go in corn, but we couldn't get corn because it was so wet in the spring. Means there's a wet on field right there too much, right there in the field. And I got to cut a pass right here, cut about half a pass here, dump on the truck. But you got this is your control stick, and I'll show you how to unload the combine. We'll swing the auger out, we'll swing the auger out. You press this button right here, swing the auger out. Come on. Okay, press this button right here. Swing the auger out. And there's not the buzzer again. Put the header up, make that start good. Header's raised up, press this button right here, set the header up. This one's your wheel, this one's your auger. This turns your auger on, the grain flow, this is up your header, this is all the stuff. And we're going to turn the header off. That's your separator, that's your header. And I'm going to shoot y'all down just a second while I back this up. I'm going to use my iPhone today to record this. And I'm going to get lined up for the truck. I'm going to line up to the truck. I think it's kind of like this. You can ease up to the truck. Get lined up. I'll try that and it will. Hopefully. Yeah. But this is your this controls your this controls your auger. You grain all your auger now. This lets your header up down. This lets you automatically. You can press the button, the same button every time. This is your other header control heights. You can see the beans coming out of the grain tank. They are going in the truck. Over here you got your yield per acre, 17.6 moisture. And no, we're not selling 17% beans, 18% beans. Mean joint, I think 11% moisture. But you can come on cut, but the monitor, it's not clean. The monitor is not cleaned up. It's not cleaned out right. The sensor, to get dirty. About a week, about a few days after cleaning. We haven't cleaned it lately. That's why it's cleaned up. But we test with the hand tester just to make sure it's never dry. There's always some beans on this truck. So, there's only one time I load on this truck. So, there they go. You can see the beans empty. And there's moisture and turn it off, and then this right here is your this lets you know your auger's out. This one lets you know you turn your header on. This is your fuel gauge. This is your DEF, diesel exhaust fluid gauge. This is your temperature gauge, your fan speed, rotor speed, feeder house speed, all that stuff. On this screen is your acre, your field, your farm. That's your monitor, lets you know your things working on how much grain you're losing. Like that's your tailings volume auger and your sieve loss, sensitivity and whatnot. Okay, then this is your all your controls for this and everything and that. And so that's your pretty much everything on the combine. I'm about to run over beans. I'm gonna get back to picking. Throttle it down. Go back to line one. Throttle it down. Turn the separator on. Turn the header on. Throttle it up. Yes. And then get away from the truck. Pull the auger in. And away we go. That's all good to combine. I'm fixing to cut that to the field now. And I'm going to show some more shelling corn footage videos. I didn't get any shelling corn footage video. But if y'all don't know, I messed up my, I had to get a manually mown. I mean, before my other one had a battery rupture. And I was going to use the video camera and it, what my computer somehow. So I didn't get any corn shelling videos. I attempted to make corn shelling videos, but I didn't. Shelling corn, but I didn't get any corn shelling videos. Shelling corn. But today is Tuesday. Today's Thursday, October 6th. Yeah, today's Thursday, October 6th, and we got 3 shelling corn Tuesday. So, I got this phone yesterday, Wednesday. So, I'm sorry I didn't get any corn shelling food. I wanted to get y'all some, and it sucked, I didn't. But our corn made really good. Our whole farm average on the corn was 180 some odd bushel. We had some fields, we had some fields way up well over 200 bushel an acre. So, not bad. But I'm gonna get off here and I'm gonna get off here and get about to cut the beans, and when something else changes, I'll give y'all what's going on at the shop when I get to the shop. This is spring, that thing of water. Pick up the water there, I'm gonna pick up the header over there. So I gotta use both hands here to cross this, get the end, turn around. This is a hard field to do. And as you can see, just here, they go all around here. I think I cut around it one more time. Basically, after I get cut around, all the end to it, I'll be nearly done. So I won't even set up the anything, you know, any thing. I won't even set up any wall capacity or anything like that for this field. But anyway, guys, I'll let y'all go and talk to you later.